Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video, and of course, drop a comment in the comment section. Now, nation, more shocking information has been brought to the light. Now, they are stating that the baby mother might again be in the hot seat. As a matter of fact, Stephen stated that the officers who were with the baby mother have been named and are being investigated. I'm not going to hear the Auntie said they will continue the reason. Look at this.
Don't ramp with it, people. The empress and the case.
Them for Lego Missy. Oh, them for Lego Missy. Them say Missy their work, but people see she and her friend walk come in. Security run gone, know them drive come in. So she was at work and she leave work and go to the apartment because she don't hear Donna is there. She done did hear Donna
and Noel drive fear car. Go pick up the truck man. You understand? So if him drive
fear carry him, she drive carry him the Wednesday after Tuesday the 12th. And him drive her car come down at Donna Lee yard with him tears.
Alright.
Yo, I know this. I don't know what Donna Lee and I want to do Donna Lee, not no love her, Donna Lee and this and that. Wicked set.
And nobody never asked him for Donna Lee.
Nobody not asked. Now him call my sister and say, you hear from Donna Lee, that was the biggest mistake of Noel. The biggest mistake. Oh, you protect my niece from her yard. She run happily gone after her birthday. That was like the Monday after 10:30. And you take her from her yard. You normally care her. Him jealous of her like, whoa, she can't laugh and talk to nobody. And the man they jealous. That the baby mother they were pushing up for herself and run go make for herself valuable for breed. That never did help. That never did help. That never do nothing because she couldn't hold him. Understand? So
which was straight or yeah man.
So him now she now decide say it not go for long. But him could have stopped it. Him come for her from in the Monday night. How much hours? And she there in yard. Normally, him drop her back home, because a regular him come for and them go out. Them go to places where him not carry baby mother. She's just a baby mother now. Other the post there alone she run now. That post there, if you watch her on her TikTok, I do her kind of rubbish and sitting. And then through the idiot, they bow down and put him head on her belly. She feels that she's the worst. She knows that she there back bench same way. But through my niece there front bench now she decides say what? You not go see her no more. You not then know where either mama. Cause just sit go serve and you go get the night too. You go get the night too. And the family will not do nothing to your mama. God, when me say judgment and brimstone and fire, that me say no. Oh, you can't stay there, take it easy and go on. You need to come in and talk what you know too. And you know something because you are the head of it. You know more than what you feel know. And that the fool there cover up and have no sense. Are you idiot? Eh?
Yeah man. So
man.
people, so the year where go on.
No longer. The string weak.
But you see what go on now?
Weak.
Cat, you have to watch yourself right now because you see the amount of people and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. About 6 of them tie up with the people, including the security guard. Yes sir, around so. Including the security guard people tie up tonight. You understand? So the lady at the car wash to people who wash out the blood out of the couch. She have to come chat to it too. Because all she for wash out blood out of the couch. And now come tell police and officer no say wash out the blood for although Noel tell her say him dog get shot. Which dog can get shot in a couch in a house?
No sir, the dog get shot and nobody know hear people hear cussing argument and rear and back there broke up and this and that. And them see when them going there. And after them going at the house. So why the officers them at Harpetry police station don't check back them camera? Why they don't check back them camera and look and see that she get up out the station and come out? Why them don't check it till she leave? Them need to check that.
Yes.
But police not give a police.
And at the I remember at the apartment.
And them damage how much over the camera.
So all the camera damage so Who find the camera for damage with people?
Them same man, remember they Mr. Man live, you know, and then Mr. Man
yes,
live, you know.
So,
And then Mr. Man live, you know.
So the people them who have the camera people have to go call and say, oh.
Now talk to me. Of course, these are bits and pieces of information that cannot be overlooked. The fact that the camera and the images were temporarily deleted. Because the truth be told is, certain things that are stored on hard drive, even when they delete it, you kind of have a kind of recovery mode when they can recover data that was deleted. So I guess that is how law enforcement retrieved the missing hours of the CCTV. The auntie also pointed out that there are cameras at the station that could check the time that she left and who she left with. And apparently law enforcement has done so. Talk to my people. Tell me what you think. As it stands now, there are multiple theories. Some people feel Maitland did it. Some people say no, Maitland is covering up. Tell me what you think. There must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and our family though. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and comment in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now, as school resumption draws close for the Jamaican island, it is clear the education system is definitely in despair. When another teacher them migrate in them tens and them hundreds, some say even in their thousands, the teachers who have remaining on the island are constantly being charged with crimes against their own students. Now, a 29-year-old teacher from Manchester has been charged for relations with a minor, a girl who was 11. Miguel Spoon Griffiths of Knockpatrick District was charged by detectives. He has also been charged with grievous assault and obscene publications following incidents that allegedly occurred between December 2021 right up until June 2022. Clearly, it is as if school never got up on break. This situation would continue to happen. Now, the report is that Griffiths reportedly sent certain type of photographs of his private area to the youth. He allegedly later met with the girl in Newport District in Manchester, where the assault took place. The matter was reported to law enforcement and an investigation was launched. Griffiths was then pointed out and subsequently charged with the matter. People, what are really going on? The good teachers, I point out, say they are overworked, underpaid, and underappreciated, and have left for greener pastures. You can't cuss them. There's even legislation before Parliament, allegedly, that is requiring teachers to get new certifications to be qualified or considered as quote-unquote teachers on the island. While overseas, there are people offering better pay, better living conditions, and all other things them where the teachers are asked for. Of course, they're going to leave. And the issue even worse now, that the teachers who are choosing to stay, or who are probably just haven't left yet, are now being caught up in matters like this. What going on with the education system? We already hear the matter about the literacy rate. We already say, even though face-to-face classes resumed on the island for the previous term, or was that an entire semester? Whatever the case, majority or a good number of students still didn't return to classes. And the nation, the education system, was looking for a stronger turnout this September. But now we have issues with teachers who now left for more money or get charged with assault against students. It can't work. And the age of this youth, yo, I tell the family to get her the help she need. You know what I mean? So she can go forward, continue with her studies. And while we don't know if she can forget, she can at least put this in the past and focus on, our future. The youth will know the full weight of the law, the man put on him. Obviously, the teacher was charged. Them have him behind the bars. She identify him. You know what I mean? The photographs were sent. Them have the photographs. Them swayed forward from. Them did link up. The situation took place. Them have what them need. And these matters are serious matters before the court. We know no judge not gonna laugh with them kind of case here. It's either I'm gonna just plead guilty and take him time, or if him waste the court time, he might look on some 30 to 40 years. Talk to me in the comment section. Quick recap. Now, they are stating that more information is still being discovered in the Donna Lee Danson's case. Donna Lee's auntie wants law enforcement to check the footages of not only the apartment, but also at the station. Andre Stevens has named the officers who were with the baby mother during his live program. Talk to me. Definitely tell me what you think. Now, there's a crisis taking place, or a situation rather, taking place in the education system, where teachers are not only leaving, but the ones who are still on the island are being charged for various offenses. If you're new to the channel, subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now, until reason again, live, love, and prosper. And stay tuned.